Hello everyone, welcome to Keep Learning at the rate BECREATIVE. In this video, we are going to discuss a problem from NMTC Sub-Junior Level Final Round 2023. The problem says a straight line L is drawn through the vertex C of an equilateral triangle ABC, wholly lying outside the triangle. AL and BM are drawn perpendicular to the straight line L. If N is the midpoint of AB, prove that triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. Here, the diagram was not given in the problem and we need to show the general solution for this problem. So let's see how are we going to prove this. So here we have a straight line L and we have drawn an equilateral triangle. Now this can be taken in any of the way. So we have taken this triangle inclined to the line at certain angle. So we are taking a general case, not a particular case, where exactly CN will be perpendicular to L. We are not considering that particular case here. So this is the triangle, that is the equilateral triangle. Now we have been given that N is the midpoint of this side AB and we have drawn perpendicular AL and BM to line L. Then if we connect L to N and N to M, then we get a triangle NLM and we need to prove this triangle as an equilateral triangle. Let us see how are we going to do so. Now to prove triangle NLM as an equilateral triangle, either we can prove all the sides equal, all the three angles as 60 degree, that is all three angles equal, or either we can bring one angle 60 degree and two sides equal, or we can prove the two sides equal and the two angles equal to 60 degree. So in that case also this triangle will become an equilateral triangle. Let us see what all equal things we can take out from this diagram. Now since I have drawn AL and BM perpendicular, it motivates me, and this N is the midpoint, so it is motivating me to draw a line ON perpendicular to L, as I know the equal intercept theorem. So here I can see that NO, BM and AL, all three will be perpendicular to L. So that's why they all will be parallel to each other. So we can say that these three lines are parallel to each other and AN is equals to NB. So by equal intercept theorem, I can say that LO is equals to OM. Now to prove NL and NM equal, I am considering these two triangles. I will be taking the help of congruency to prove NL equals to NM. Let's see how are we going to do so, as LO has been equal to OM. So this is motivating me to take these two triangles which I can prove congruent easily. So in these two triangles, if you see that we have already written that OM is equals to OL, then what else we can see? We can see that NOL angle is equals to angle NOM, that is equals to 90 degree, and NO is the common side in these two triangles. So that's why these two triangles are congruent by SAS, that is side, angle and side criteria. And by CPCT, we will have NL equals to NM. So here we have proved the half part of this question. So if we can bring certain angle equals to 60 degree, or the third side equal to the side NL or NM, we can prove this triangle as equilateral. Let's see what else we can do. Now, since ABC was an equilateral triangle, I have connected CN. By doing so, I will get the angle BNC as 90 degree, as in an equilateral triangle. If CN is median, it will be an altitude as well. Now, if this is 90 degree and if you consider the quadrilaterals NBMC, in this you can see that BMC is also 90 degree. So here you can see that angle BMC and angle CNB both are 90 degree, which gives me that the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and we will have the quadrilateral NCBM as a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral helps us in chasing angle. So here you can see if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, then this angle is 60 degrees. So with the help of this angle, I can bring certain angles of this triangle also as 60 degree. Let's see. So here if you consider angle NBC, you can see that the angle in the same segment with this is angle NMC, which is the angle of the triangle LNM. So here you can see that this angle is also 60 degree. Now since this is 60 degree and NM is equals to NL, which are the two sides of the triangle, so in this case I can write angle NLM as well as 60 degree. So here the two angles are 60, so remaining the third angle will also become 60 degree. So that's why we can say that the triangle NLM is an equilateral triangle. Now this was a very interesting problem for the sub-junior level. I hope you must have enjoyed the problem. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel for more such video. Thank you.